Hi everybody, my name is Neven Markovic. Investing in science or innovation is a very important condition for economic growth. Today, everywhere in the world, just a description how important relation between investment in science and innovation and economic growth is a scale of number of European patent applications per inhabitant, per million inhabitants for European Union member states and other European states. So the most successful country is Switzerland, so out of European Union, with 892 European patent applications per million inhabitants. The most successful EU member states in Netherlands with 404, then Sweden 360, and so on and so on. Unfortunately, the position of the Republic of Croatia is really very low at the 26th place in European Union with just 3.2 European patent application per million inhabitants. So it is very clear how much economic growth and economic welfare depends on investment in creativity. Also, it is significant to speak about applicant categories. Data are for 2018, 71 patent application came from large companies and just 29 for all others entities for individuals. Main areas are medicine, digital communication and computer technology. There is a Europe 2020 strategy with the main goal to encourage the competitiveness and the economy and strengthen the innovative potential and technological development of the business sector by connecting with universities and all other scientific institutions. The result of strategy is not so great. The strategy is not very or completely successful, and there are many measures to prove that. Special speaking about the number of European patent applications based on a country as origin, and there are United States and Asian countries who are much more successful with much more European patent applications than EU member states. It is also interesting to speak about company. Each company could be pronounced as a innovative company, means that they support inventive process in his production or his system or business procedure. And according to the Croatian Central Bureau of Statistics, just 70 companies in Croatia introduced a new or improved product or service, and 21.7 introduced a new process. What is commercialization or marketing of invention? It is inclusion of the innovation in the legal transaction. This is very simple and very useful definition. So how to do that? The first step, the first obligation is to present invention to the public. There are, of course, many marketing tools how to do that, but our suggestion is to use specially designed marketing tools for marketing invention, and it is a specialized invention show, but we will end our lecture with some more details about that special way.